First group ball of 2024. Eric, my father, Daryl, and a junior. All right, first bonus. Let's see what we can do with more chips. Here we go. Ooh. Get a minor. Let's get that minor for $500. Come on. All right. Show me some chips here. Come on. Ooh, $5. Do it. Do it. Show me the chip. Chip, 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 chip. Ooh, 2 more. There you go. Come on. Getting tense. It's getting real. Oh, all right, not too shabby for our first bonus. All right, let's see what we got. Shabby. Until next time. Alright, you guys ready? Alright, we've got 3 spins. Let's see what we can do with these 3 spins. Here we go. Bonus in the bonus. Got the 9s all the way across. Not enough. Do it. Alright. Looking promising. Chip. No, that's not a chip. Got the thing on. We got the duck right there. Alright. Briefcase in the middle, a chip. Nope, 9s again. Alright, let's see what we got. $96. Alright, until next time. Alright, got our 3rd bonus of the year. Let's see what we can do with it. Let's get some smaller balls. Here we go. Do it. Alright, it's looking promising. Alright, there we go. Just throw in the mini. Come on. Do it. Just do it. Come on. Alright, look, mine went by. Jeez. Let's get it. Drop. Come on, save it. Save it. Save it. And didn't save it. I can guarantee you it's more than $10. Yeah, pretty good, man. Not too shabby again. $70. All right. Until next time. All right, we got our 4th bonus. Let's see what we can do with it. 3 spins. Here we go. All right, come on. Chip in the middle. Chip, 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 chip. No, that's not a chip. And there's that chip I was looking for. Alright, let's see what we can do with it. $25. Let's get that minor at least. Minor, we double up. Come on. Do it. There it is, minor. Oh, $100. Alright, not too shabby. Do it. Oh, another 5. Ooh. Do it. Alright, we'll have Eric touch the button and see if he has the lucky chance to get that grand jackpot. Do it, Eric. Do it. One more, last chance. Back. Wow. Yeah. Alright, so far 160 so far. Alright. Let's continue this. Chip in the chip, another chip, back to back. Do it. Alright. Chip. Oh, let's see what we got. About $200. Alright, until next time.